On today's menu, a delicious and easy salad recipe that's a real fresh start to your day. Delicious orzo pesto salad. Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Easy and delicious recipes are awesome. What's even better are the ones where the oven does most of the work. Preheat the oven to 400. Bring a pot of water to boil for the orzo. Slice in half about 250 grams of cherry tomatoes. Season the tomatoes with a pinch of salt and pepper. Drizzle of olive oil. Toss. Place the tomatoes on a tray lined with parchment paper. Rinse and drain 2 cups of canned chickpeas and add them to the mixing bowl. Toss the chickpeas in the residual oil. Line the chickpeas on the baking tray and spread them out. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes. Boil half a pound of orzo to package instructions, in this case 8 minutes. For the asparagus, we're just going to break off this woody end here. Kind of naturally we'll find this sweet spot to break off. Now the woody ends you can keep for stocks and soups. Remove the woody ends of about 300 grams of asparagus. That sound is just unusually satisfying. Chop the asparagus into bite-sized pieces. Season the asparagus with some salt and pepper. Drizzle in some olive oil. Toss. Transfer the asparagus onto another baking tray lined with parchment paper. After 20 minutes, add the asparagus to the oven and bake for another 15 minutes. When the orzo is cooked, rinse and drain in cold water. This will prevent it from cooking any further. Blender. Add about 40 grams of basil to the blender. Quarter cup almonds. Quarter teaspoon salt. Pepper. 1 piece of garlic. Rip in about 50 grams of fresh parsley. Two tablespoons hemp hearts. Third cup of olive oil. Blend on medium to medium-low and use a tamper if necessary. That really is all there is to it. Now the fun part is actually mixing everything together. And if you love easy and delicious recipes like this one, then definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook. To take a sneak peek inside the books or to get your signed copy, I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. When the veggies are roasted, let them cool for 5 to 8 minutes. Two peaches, thinly sliced. Add the peaches and veggies to the orzo and assemble your salad. Pesto. Mix. Plate. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and serve. You can now enjoy this hearty orzo salad with absolute confidence. I can already tell you that this is a bowl, that's a party I definitely want to attend. I mean, look at all of that flavor. That is literally an explosion of flavor and texture. Really incredible. You know, just from that first bite, you get that explosion of this fresh, delicious sweetness from the peaches, but it really complements the sweetness and acidity from the roasted tomatoes that just kind of caramelizes in the oven. And you get that delicious al dente texture from that asparagus, and the kind of chewiness from the chickpeas really substantiates this salad. The orzo is perfectly cooked and it has that al dente bite as well. And it's completely coated in that really tasty, savory pesto that we just quickly put together. We have that saltiness, the brightness and acidity from the lemon juice, the incredible aromatic flavor from the fresh basil, the fresh parsley. You get a little bit of that garlic punch of flavor, and you get a really nice earthiness from the almonds, the hemp hearts. You get that nuttiness as well. I mean, when you mix everything together, it is just a harmonious bowl of delightful flavors and textures. They all just kind of make friends in there. Visually, this is really just stunning. You can enjoy this as a side or even just by itself as an entree, because it is just really substantial. You get a little bit of that almost fruity flavor from the extra virgin olive oil in that pesto. This keeps really well in the fridge as well, so you can definitely make a huge batch of this and just meal prep, or this particular recipe makes about 5 or 6 portions depending on how large or small the portions, but absolutely delicious, super easy to make. And if you love easy and delicious recipes like I do, then definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook to take a sneak peek inside the book, or to get your signed copy. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check these out. And of course, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.